What's up, everybody? This is Delight. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a pom-pom to a beanie so that it stays. It's really sad when you make a beanie for someone and then a couple days later the pom-pom falls off the top, because you pretty much have to a lot of times you have to remake the pom-pom and reattach it, and then sometimes that never gets done, and the person you made the beanie for never gets to wear the beanie with the pom-pom like you intended it. So I'm going to show you my little hack to tie a really good knot on this and make sure that it stays. So let's get started. We're going to start with a crochet hook. It doesn't matter what size, because it's going to help us to attach the two yarn tails to the hat. So first, I find the top of the hat where I did my magic ring, which is right here, and I poke the crochet hook inside the hat and up like this, and find a spot on either side of the magic ring to get a hold of these tails of the pom-pom and pull down inside. And then the other side of the magic ring is right here, and I'll pull the other one down through there. Just like that. And now we're going to put the hat inside out so that we can tie these ends that we just put through. So we're going to pull them tight like this. This is the end from where I started crocheting. I can just go ahead and cut that off now, I think. That's already sewed in. Okay, so the key to this is to tie it really tight. And what I do is just a regular knot, except I wrap this around like that's like a regular shoelace knot, and then you wrap it one more time. And just that extra wrap really helps, and then you pull it really, really tight as you can. And then do it one more time. Same thing where you wrap this around and then wrap it around again. So there's probably a name for that, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so now the pom-pom's on pretty tight. Let's check before we proceed. So here we are on the outside of the beanie. Yeah, it's gonna stay really well. So now, because I don't want someone wearing this hat to have these little things hanging down on their head, I will take the crochet hook and weave these ends in for a couple of inches, just grabbing wherever underneath here and kind of get those weaved in like that. All right, I wove both of these ends in just a couple inches. Now I'm going to trim them off. And then you can see I still need to weave these ends in. I will do that in a minute, but for now, we've got the pom-pom. And now it's looking fluffy, it's looking good, it's really stuck to the hat. And there you have it. That is how I attach my pom-poms to the beanies and make sure they stay. If you're interested in this pattern for this entire beanie that I'm still finishing up here, it's the seed stitch with a ridged brim. Check the description box below. I'll have that for you when it's ready. And if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.